After holding a meeting with the Delhi police, farmers have claimed a breakthrough in their proposal for the Republic Day tractor rally. The farmers claim that a consensus has been reached in the meeting with the cops. They have said that the police have given a green signal for their tractor rally and a route plan has also been finalized. They even claim that there would be no restrictions on the number of participants and tractors at the Republic Day. However, the Delhi police have contradicted farmers' claims. The Commissioner of Police has said that no route has been finalized as yet. Remember, farmers are preparing for mega tractor parade on the occasion of Republic Day's 11th round of talks between them and the government failed to yield any results.
हमने घोषणा की थी कि देश भर से किसान अपने ट्रैक्टर लेके दिल्ली आएंगे। हमने घोषणा की थी कि अब हम बैरिकेड पे नहीं रुकेंगे, हम दिल्ली के अंदर आएंगे। आज मैं आपके सामने बताना चाह रहा हूं कि 5 राउंड बात के बाद ये सारी बातें कबूल हो गई हैं। 26 तारीख को गणतंत्र दिवस पे गण की प्रतिष्ठा बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि तंत्र था जो गण के ऊपर बैठ गया था, गण की प्रतिष्ठा को बनाने के लिए किसान गणतंत्र दिवस परेड करेगा इस देश में पहली बार।
Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining us. She's reporting on the story. Good morning, Kamaljeet. What is the final status as far as the Republic Day tractor rally row is concerned? If you could just walk our viewers through finally what is going on.
Well, Chaiti, the announcement has been made. The tractor rally will be allowed. They're calling it a tractor parade. Now, let me tell you, the route has not been decided so far. But what we've got to know from sources is that this is likely to be a Rajpath event, which is going to conclude in the noon. Then we've been told is likely that the tractor rally will take place from 2 p.m. onwards. However, Delhi police and the farmers have not given out the route yet. Perhaps that those last meetings are still left, because remember, those have been shared by the farmers, but still not been announced just yet. So it seems that the government has not blinked once, but almost twice. First was when they gave an offer to keep the law in abeyance for 1 year, 18 months or 2 years. And the other time is when Delhi police was earlier adamant that these farmers cannot be allowed inside Delhi, especially on the day of Republic Day when they wanted to go ahead with the tractor rally. Now there seems to be a change of heart. The farmers will be allowed and they seem to be elated about that. But the stalemate still continues, and that is where things really are stuck. For now, the farmers are saying it's been agreed upon by both sides that tractor rally will go on. Remember, they've been camping at Ghaziabad, Tikri border, Singhu border. So it's going to be a huge parade. Law and order issue is something. And remember, extra boots have been kept on the ground, whether it's Delhi police or the paramilitary forces. So it's going to be a task. But hopefully, and many are saying the fingers are crossed, that things should go on peacefully.
All right. Kamaljeet, thanks for joining us with the very latest details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.